Hey beautiful, I am so excited. I just got some super fun happy mail. I got a package from Nectar Bath Treats and I am so excited to open it. I have seen some people using these products from Nectar Bath Treats. They look absolutely incredible that as I continue to see them, I was like, you know what, I need to have some of this in my life. So I'm super excited that I got some stuff and I wanted to open it up right here and show you what I got. So I'm gonna open up the box and already I can smell the fabulousness. It smells sweet and sugary, and those are my types of scents. The candles or the waxes, whatever I usually have around my house, it's always like a food smell. That is totally my vibe. I love food smells, and so the fact that I can get sugary smelling luxurious bath treats is like a win in my opinion. All right, I'm gonna dig in. Now, one thing that I was told about this company in particular is that the packing peanuts are biodegradable. They're made of cornstarch, so they are environmentally friendly, which is already a huge win in my opinion. So let me dig in and see what I get. Okay, I have a box. It's actually pretty heavy. Let's see. I wish you could smell this. It smells so incredible. I have two items right here. I have fruit smoothie body butter and fruit smoothie body scrub. So the body butter, does it have a scent? It doesn't, with shea butter and avocado oil. So I don't know if there is a particular scent for this. I guess just fruit smoothie is the scent. Let me see if I can open this. Okay, got it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells so good. It's a light, sweet, definitely fruity, but it's super light, but I can tell how thick this body butter is. I can already tell like how luxurious that is going to be on the skin. I cannot wait to use this, especially this time of year. Right now it is like dead of winter. And then the fruit smoothie sugar scrub. It looks like a strawberry. It legit looks like frozen up, grounded up strawberry. It's even got like almost like the little seeds, almost like a frozen strawberry margarita. And it is very fruity smelling, almost like berry, kind of like a strawberry berry sweet smelling. Oh, that smells so good. Again, perfect for this time of year, especially since it's like dead of winter, but we're about to go into spring. So about to go into like self-tanning mode, and you know you need a good body scrub exfoliator before you self-tan. Now that I am actually looking through, there's more in here. This is the self-care bundle. So it comes with the body butter, the body scrub, and then 4 bath bombs. And I'm obsessed with bath bombs. I cannot wait to try these. I'm interested to see if they are different. So it looks like they are these two on the sides might be the same. It's got that same like fruity smell. Let's see, I think this one is also the same. I mean, that is a thick bath bomb. I love the scent because it's fruity and sweet, but it's also light, so it's not like you open it up and you like are like too overwhelmed and it like doesn't give you a headache or anything like that. So fun. Self-care bundle, 4 bath bombs, a body butter, a body scrub. Cannot wait to be using that. And then I think I got something else in this package. Let me see. I finished digging through the box. I got a few more things which I will show you. But also in the box was a note talking about the biodegradable packing peanuts. Another thing that is really cool about Nectar Bath Treats is they are cruelty-free, plant-based, paraben, SLS-free. made in the USA, and 100% satisfaction guarantee. So I feel like they are just covering themselves at every level. It is like a win, 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 win. And like pampering yourself is always a must-have. But I got 2 of these, so I got more bath bombs. So I'm gonna be taking baths a lot over the next couple of weeks. So excited for these. They look to be the same one, same scent, that I really, really am enjoying. And then I also got the Bubble Scoop Sundae. This stuff is just so stinking adorable. It looks seriously like little ice cream scoops. The directions say, as your tub fills with warm water, crumble the bubble scoop under running water and enjoy. And the ingredients are lavender rose, hibiscus, ocean breeze, peachy lemon, periwinkle dream, unicorn candy. I mean, like, if those words don't describe like fabulousness of the way that this smells, I don't know what does. So I am so excited to try these. I wanted to do this unboxing here, but again, this is the self-care bundle, so if you want to grab it, I will have a link for Nectar Bath Treats in the description of this video. But I feel like the box packaging just kind of says it all. Get ready to relax, unwind, and bliss out, all thanks to Nectar Bath Treats. Again, if you want to try it, I will have a link for it in the description of this video. And if you want to see more unboxing videos like this and other makeup and fashion and lifestyle tutorials, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification